So friends, finally Earfun Wave Pro wireless headphone launch in market, and here you see this headphone look is overall very pretty. And talking about specifications and price, so this headphone is very premium quality types of a feature, and also in this headphone company has provided very fantastic features. And this headphone talk about battery back audio quality. So this headphone in this headphone 45 decibel hybrid noise cancellation feature in this headphone. And because of this feature, sound quality is very fantastic if you use this headphone full. And feel experience, this headphone is very fantastic. And more other important audio types of feature in this headphone. And artificial algorithm to deliver unique listening experience for the user. And this feature also in this headphone. And talk about the price. So this headphone price is and price is $80. So what you think this headphone, please tell me. And thank you for watching this video.